Hello, today I'm going to teach you an easy way to teach a child how to tie their shoes. First, you start with your shoe and your shoelaces. Sometimes the shoelaces that are in this child's shoes are a little bit too thick for the hole, and sometimes the holes are a little bit too small. So for the sake of this video, this shoe has holes that are a little bit too tight for the tips of the laces, and I will show you exactly what we're going to do here right now. So you're going to start with the plastic ends of your shoelace, and if your shoelaces that you are using do not happen to have the plastic piece intact anymore, you just need to take a piece of tape and wrap it around the end of that shoelace. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to take this shoelace and you are going to insert it into that top hole of your shoe. This one's a little tight, so it might take me a minute. Push it into that hole. Okay, just like that. And then you take the other side and you do the same thing in the hole on the other side. Like that, okay? Now you have two loops. And you've freed up your hands to be able to manipulate the laces. Now, take your two loops and make an X. Crisscross them like that. Now you have that little hole right here. You can call it a teepee, a tent, or sometimes I call it a tree, and these are the loops and the bunny goes underneath the tree. Anyway, so you take the two loops and you cross them, and then you take the one closest to you and you go underneath like this, okay? And then you pull it. Now you do the same, repeat the same exact steps exactly again. Cross them, and then go under and pull. Once you've made those laces, go down and release those from those tips, from the holes, and you have a tied shoe. I always find it easiest to teach this skill at tabletop for practice, and then once the child has mastered the skill at tabletop level, then they can be taught how to transfer that skill to the shoes on their feet. This is a great technique for teaching children who are typical, but it is also a really good technique for teaching children who may have some special needs or learning difficulties. I hope that this technique works out well for you, just as it has for me, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.